Okay, we all know what time it is right now. It's happy hour time. So today, I'm just going to do a nice little quick summer cocktail recipe. This great company, Ving Vodka, reached out to me like it was a couple weeks ago. I think they were seeing a little of the happy hours I was doing. What do you think? Bam! They're great, they're local. It's gluten-free, it's sugar-free. The vodka is actually made from farm fresh corn. So it's the cleanest vodka in the world. It's a business run solely by women, which I think is great, and I'm supporting a local business as well. So their website's vingvodka.com, V with the V. And I took one of their recipes that looked good, which is the Ving Kale Hound. I'm just gonna add my own thing to it. So I'm gonna do the fresh grapefruit juice, this vodka, which has the cucumber, lemon peel, and kale. And then I'm gonna add mint, some jalapeno, and fresh rosemary as a garnish. So you needed fresh grapefruit juice. I've already squeezed a little bit by hand. So this is what I was doing when the camera was not on. Just squeezing the grapefruit. Well, I was gonna make a joke, but we'll save that for later. There's a movie out there, there's a scene, Girls Trip, Tiffany Haddish.
I feel like I'm gonna be sick.
I'll let you Google and figure that one out. Take your little shaker. You've all done this before. It's really all about the taste. Oh. It doesn't even smell like vodka. It's like I'm at a spa. So it's 97 calories for an ounce and a half if you're counting, but calories don't count in quarantine. I like my drinks stiff, so I'm gonna do 3 ounces. Save your judgments. It says 4 ounces of fresh grapefruit juice. Okay, 3 ounces, 4. Now you shake. We'll let that chill for a second. This is just for our little garnish. You can go right there. I'm gonna take some mint leaves. Since I've been making more drinks than usual, I found that my secret number is about 6 mint leaves. 11, okay, that's enough. Cut up my little jalapeno. God, that's a big knife. I'm doing 3 slices. Voila. Muddle it all up. That looks like a good consistency to me. All right. Okay. Pour a little cocktail in there. Put the rosemary. Okay, let's see. Wow. It's like, you know, like cucumber water you have at the spa. Okay, we're gonna sip this. Hold on, let's see. I need a shot glass. I think I just found the gayest glass in our house.
Just he can never not be gay for 5 seconds. I'm just like, can you not be gay for 5 minutes?
Honey, even though it's not chilled, let's see what it tastes like. Dun 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 dun. Smooth. It still tastes just like that. You taste the lemon, the cucumber. This really might be the best vodka I've ever had. This is really good. Well, so I think I served my purpose for the day. I told you about a new great clean vodka, Ving Vodka. Thanks, Brigitte. I gave you a new cocktail recipe that tastes like summer in a mason jar. Let me know if you try this. Hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this, and you can see what the next crazy thing I'm gonna do is. All right, until next time, bye.